The world craves peace. We long for unity. But what if this desire for peace is manipulated? What if it leads us into the arms of a deceiver? Many believe the Bible warns of a coming Antichrist. This evil figure will promise peace but bring only destruction. Could today's leaders be unknowingly paving the way for this Antichrist? Some religious leaders have embraced controversial figures like Donald Trump. They see him as a beacon of hope. They believe in his message of unity. But is this true unity or a dangerous illusion? The Bible warns of false prophets. These deceivers sound like angels of light. They promise peace. They offer solutions. But their words are empty. Their promises are lies. We must be careful not to be fooled by appearances. Technology advances at an alarming rate. Artificial intelligence grows more sophisticated every day. What was once science fiction is now reality. Could AI be used to control the masses? Could it be used to enforce a one-world religion? The Bible speaks of a mark of the beast. This mark will be required for buying and selling. It will be a sign of allegiance to the Antichrist. Could this mark be linked to technology? Could it be a microchip implant or a digital ID? The possibilities are frightening. Imagine a world where your every move is tracked. Imagine a world where you are denied basic necessities if you refuse to conform. This is the future the Antichrist wants to create. The book of Revelation describes a terrifying image. It is the image of the beast set up in the temple in Jerusalem. This image will have the power to speak. It will command the worship of the world. How could such a thing be possible? Some believe it will be a technological marvel, perhaps a holographic projection or a lifelike android. Whatever form it takes, the image of the beast will be a tool of deception. It will be used to deceive people into worshipping the Antichrist, the abomination of desolation. That's what the Bible calls it. It will be a sign that the end is near, a sign that God's judgment is about to fall. Recent news has shaken the world. President Trump's envoy has halted work on the Ukraine peace plan. This unexpected move has left many questioning the future of peace in Eastern Europe. What does this mean for global stability? For years, the Ukraine peace plan was seen as a beacon of hope, a promise that diplomacy could triumph over conflict. But now, that hope is fading. The halt in negotiations could lead to increased tensions, not just in Ukraine, but across the globe. It serves as a stark reminder of how fragile peace can be, how easily it can be disrupted by political maneuvers. This turn of events also ties into the broader theme of peace and deception. Just as the image of the beast will deceive many into a false sense of security, so too can political promises. They can offer hope, only to shatter it when convenient. And the Bible warns us of such times. Times when peace is promised but not delivered. When leaders rise and fall, leaving chaos in their wake. The halted Ukraine peace plan is a modern example of how quickly the tides can turn. It reminds us to be wary, to question the promises made by those in power, for true peace is not found in political agreements but in faith and truth. As we watch these events unfold, we must remember the lessons of the past. The image of the beast, the abomination of desolation, all serve as warnings. They remind us that deception is a powerful tool, one that can lead nations astray. In these uncertain times, we must hold fast to our faith. We must discern the truth from the lies. Only then can we navigate the turbulent waters ahead. Many Christians believe in the rapture. This is the event where believers will be caught up to meet Jesus in the air. But what will happen to those left behind? The world will be plunged into chaos. The Antichrist will seize control. He will use the power vacuum to establish his own kingdom. He will unite the world politically and religiously. He will offer solutions to the world's problems. But his solutions will come at a terrible price. The Bible says that those who refuse to worship the beast will be persecuted. They will be cut off from society. They may even be killed. These are dark times ahead, but we must not lose hope. We must cling to our faith in God. He will protect his people. He will ultimately triumph over evil.